Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see, Kai is going to be my little co-host for today. But I'm here to talk about Buju and his return to Jamaica. So as you guys know, I reported, and I would like to say I was the first one that reported that Buju is supposed to go home yesterday, and he definitely arrived yesterday, and everybody was excited and happy to see Gargamel home. He did his time, and we're looking forward to impeccable music. But that's not what we're here to talk about. I'm here to talk about how Trinidad and Tobago is showing out, okay, and showing up for Buju Banton. As you guys know, Buju Banton's first show is actually scheduled to be in Trinidad and Tobago. Scheduled, booked, and ready to go. And they actually did a parade today for the arrival of Buju Banton in Jamaica, okay? And when I was saying that Jamaica's government said that they're not going to host a government event for Buju Banton return, this was exactly what I was talking about. The reason why I said that they should have done it, it was because it would bring unity among our people. Not only that, instead of borrowing money from China and having other people run our airports and digging out Jamaica's pockets and digging out our natural resources, you would have millions of dollars made, because people would have flown from different countries, especially England, US, Canada, these first world countries, just to be a part of that celebration, and they would have made millions of dollars. And they claim that Jamaica is poor and we need to be borrowing money from China to do roads and all these things. Why not do the government event? Why not hold a celebration for one of Jamaica's icons like Buju Banton? And I understand people are going to say he was incarcerated and Jamaica and America has a really good friendship and they don't want to tarnish their friendship. But it's so quick and easy for Jamaica to disown their own people, to ridicule their own people because of something that they did in the past. The man did his time, he paid his debt to society, so I don't understand what the issue was and why they didn't do it. Because as you guys can see with the whole Petrojam scandal, they're all in it for the money, okay? They held two parties and used taxpayers' dollars to make these parties, these personal birthday parties, and have a jolly nice time with taxpayers' money. Some of the money is still not accounted for because they don't know who they paid and where the money went. So when I say they're all in it for the money, this would be a great money move or business move for Jamaica and stabilizing our economy, since we don't have any money, or we're broke, or we're poor, or we need to borrow money from other countries. use people that have influence like Buju Banton and garner that dollars and cents. Like, it only makes sense. Now Trinidad and Tobago is out here having the time of their lives at this huge parade that they're keeping for Buju Banton. And Buju Banton is not even from Trinidad and Tobago. He is from Jamaica, and his own Jamaican people didn't do anything like that for him. So it's amazing to see the Trini brothers and sisters out here repping for Buju. Okay, it's amazing. I love the unity, I love the camaraderie, and I love to see that they're just as excited as Jamaicans. Well, the whole Caribbean, everybody will love Buju from all over the world, is excited that he is home. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that Jamaica should have done what Trinidad and Tobago is doing right now? Or do you think that Jamaica is trying to save face and make themselves look good in the eyes of people that don't care about them, i.e. the USA? What are your thoughts on that? And what are your thoughts on the parade that the Trini Massive is doing? Do you want to be a part of it? Do you wish that they had done something like that in Jamaica? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
And preach, step over, they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over, they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.